this tutorial, we're going to cover the SVG Importer. So under the Importing tab, you will see an icon called Import SVG. Now, an SVG, for anybody who is not familiar, is a scalable vector graphic. Scalable vector graphics are very commonly used for vinyl cutters and other CNC machines. They're plentiful on the internet. You can buy them, you can find them for free, you can make them yourselves. They're just a very popular vector graphic format, and one we were easily able to integrate into our software to import. So you simply click on the icon. It's going to ask for the size board you're wanting to put it on if you don't already have a board open. So we will define this. Let's make it 14 by 14 square. Click OK. And then it's going to ask you to navigate to the files. I got some here I downloaded from a vinyl cutter website. So I can click on this and open it up, and then the vector lines get put right on the board. So it automatically scales the file to fit within the board shape and then positions it accordingly. From there we can scale it or do whatever we want to do with it. If you want to import another one, or if you're importing into a project board that's already created like this one, you can click open and then add more of these graphics to your board and then scale and position however you like. And that is the SVG Importer.